Hey there friends, welcome back. This is Agatha, and by popular demand, today we are going to be working on a hip opening yoga sequence. Should just take us about 20 minutes. We're going to get right to it, not waste any time, so grab yourself a mat and join me when you're ready. Let's come to the top of your mat. We're going to start with a little warm up for the legs before we go ahead and stretch them. So inhale, arms reach up. Exhale to chair pose. Breathe here. Keep the weight in your heels, not so much in the toes. Okay, take a nice inhale. Exhale to release forward. If you're a little bit tight in your hamstrings, feel free to bend your knees slightly. And then inhale, open up your arms, come up to standing. Exhale, arms release down. Let's do that again. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale to chair. Breathe. Keep those shoulders pulled down. We're going to keep these arms shoulder height just so we're not putting any extra tension in your shoulders. Inhale and exhale to release forward. Next, inhale, arms open up to the sides and come to standing. Exhale, release the arms down. Let's do this 2 more times. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale to chair. Stay and keep breathing. Think about your neck alignment as well. Okay, take another big inhale and exhale, release forward. On this inhale, let's slide the hands up a little bit just to lengthen the spine slightly. Exhale, release forward again, and inhale to come up to standing. Exhale, release the arms down. Last time, inhale, reach the arms up. Exhale to chair. Take a nice inhale and exhale, forward fold. Inhale, slide your hands just to where you can get your back to straighten. Exhale, release down. Inhale, open your arms out to the sides and come up to standing. Exhale to release. Fabulous. Okay, and let's start getting some of our hip openers into this now. Inhale, arms are going to reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale to step the left foot back. Bring the left knee down. Press the top of your foot firmly into the mat. Okay, this is going to help deepen into the stretch and not let you fall into your hip flexors. So arms will come up as you inhale. Hold it here for a moment. Keep pressing the top of your foot into the mat. And on the next exhale, go back to downward dog. Okay, good. If needed, bend your knees here a little bit and stretch. Coming up, we're going to work on the other side. So step your left foot forward between your hands. The right knee goes down this time. Press the top of your foot into the mat and then reach your arms up towards the ceiling as the hips press forward. Next exhale, hands go down, step the feet together at the top. Inhale to open the arms and up you come. Good. Let's do that sequence one more time. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, step the left foot back, the knee goes down, the foot presses into the mat as the arms reach up. Next exhale, step back into your downward dog. Okay, working on our right side. Step the left foot forward, right knee goes down. Press the top of the foot into the mat. Inhale, arms reach up. And on this exhale, feet come together at the top and up you come. Exhale, release the arms down. Great. Now let's work with our warrior one sequence. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, step the left foot back. Look forward a little bit, and on your exhale, you're going to step back into your downward dog. Okay, this time we're going to step the right foot forward between the hands first. Walk your left foot up a little bit so you can anchor your back heel. And from here, we come up into warrior one, both arms reaching up to the ceiling. On your exhale, lower the arms. Then as you inhale, you're going to lift the arm of the leg that's back. So the left arm comes up as you bend that left knee. This is your inhale. Exhale, press back through the arm and also press that heel back into the mat. One more time. Inhale. And exhale, press it all back. Good. Inhale, both arms are going to reach up again. Exhale, downward dog. So open those fingers nice and wide. Connect the shoulders in your back. Okay, now we're going to work the right side. So step the left foot forward between your hands. Walk your right foot up a little bit. Inhale, come up into your warrior one. Exhale, lower the arms. So inhale, the right arm comes up and bring it down. And bring it up as you inhale, bending that back leg and down. This time we're going to inhale, reach both arms up. Exhale to bring the hands down to the mat. Press your hips down a little bit. Look at the top of your mat. And on your exhale, the feet come together. And inhale to come up to standing. Exhale to release. Okay, we're going to do that warrior one sequence one more time. Inhale, arms reach up. Exhale, forward fold. Inhale, left foot steps back. Press your hips down. Now go back into your downward dog. Nice deep breaths here. Next, inhale, the right foot steps forward between the hands. Walk your left foot up slightly. Anchor that back heel. Inhale, reach the arms up for warrior one. Exhale, lower the arms. Now it's just the left and the left leg. So inhale, bend that knee as the arm lifts up. Exhale, push through and reach it back. And again, inhale up. Exhale, push through and reach back. Now inhale to reach both arms up. And exhale into your downward dog. Okay, let's work the other side. Next, inhale, the left foot comes forward between the hands. Walk your right foot up a little bit. Inhale, come up into your warrior one. Exhale to lower the arms. Inhale, lifting that right arm. And exhale, press through the heel and let the arm reach back. And one more time, inhale. And exhale to reach back. Inhale, lift both arms. Exhale, lower your hands down to the mat. Press the hips down. And exhale to bring your feet together. Inhale to come up. Exhale, release the arms. Now we're going to go for a juicy stretch here. So we're going to inhale. Arms reach up. Exhale, forward bend. Inhale, stepping the left foot back, press the hips down, and then let's go back into downward dog for a moment. Okay, an opportunity to get some nice deep breaths in. On the next inhale, step your right foot forward between your hands. Bring that left knee down, press the top of your foot down. And this time we're going to reach back for that back foot with the opposite hand. So I'm reaching for my left foot with my right hand. Grab a hold of your foot. If you're not able to do this, you can use a strap, a belt, scarf, anything you have that you can hook over your foot and hold with your hands. Press the hips forward, and as you press forward, you're going to push the top of your foot into your hand, and you're looking slightly over that top shoulder. Okay, keep pushing your foot actively into your hand to activate the muscles that we're trying to stretch here. Okay, you're going to feel the top of your quads really stretch. You're working into that hip flexor, but also your shoulder is opening up nicely here. Good, let's release that. Inhale, exhale, step back into downward dog. And when you're ready, step your left foot forward between your hands. Bring that right knee down. Reach back for your foot with the opposite hand. Press the hips forward. Press the top of your foot into your hand firmly. So get that activation in the muscles that you're stretching. And remember, we're turning to look slightly towards the left. Breathe. It is hard work. These active stretches are hard, so stay with it. Nice deep breaths. Always focus on your breath. It's a fabulous, fabulous stretch. Okay, let's release that. Inhale here, lift that back knee. Exhale, bring your feet together at the top. And on your next inhale, open your arms out to the sides to come up. And exhale to release. So that sequence that we've done so far, we've really worked on opening up the front of the body into your hip flexors. So let's add one for the side of the hips. Okay, so standing position. If you need more support, you can always lean up against the wall. That's no problem. But we're going to cross the left ankle over the right thigh. You want to push it in firmly. Okay, then you're going to push it in firmly. Bring your hands together, namaste. We bend forward at the hips. Bend the supporting leg as much as you can, and you can choose to stay here and work on balance and stretch at the same time, but you can also go deeper if you have that flexibility to reach for the floor. But remember, you can be against the wall doing the same thing. Okay, so you should feel that all along the back glutes and side of your hips. Keep pressing the ankle into your thigh. Remember, we want to keep these stretches nice and active. And then, when you're ready, gracefully come up. Bring the foot down and just shake it out a little bit. Let's work the other side. Press the ankle into your thigh. Bring your hands together in namaste. Hinge forward at your hips. Bend your supporting leg. And down you go. If you can go further, keep going. Reach for the floor, whatever you're able to do. Okay, some people don't have to go very far to really feel it already, so stay where it's comfortable for you. Always respect what your body is willing or not willing to do. Nice deep breaths. Good. Coming up as gracefully as one can. Bring that foot down, just shake it all out. That was really good work. You can take any of those exercises that we did, intersperse them throughout your day, especially if you're sitting a lot, which unfortunately is a lot of us in our working lives. So take breaks every 45 minutes, pick one of those stretches and just work on it a little bit, right? You will see a huge difference. Let's finish off with a little appreciation for what we've done. Okay, so just lie down on your back, on your mat, and you can keep your knees bent, you can extend your legs down, arms down by your side, and it's always good to finish every yoga practice with just a little moment of observation, observing the work that you've done and noticing how the body feels, what parts were affected, and how the energy is circulating through the body now. So just take a moment. We're going to just lay here for a few breaths. Two more breaths. Good, and just give yourself a final stretch. Whatever it is that your body needs right now, do it. Just mobilize it a little bit, stretch a little bit, and we're going to gently turn to your side. Come up to a seated position. Excellent work. If you liked it, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and always feel free to post questions or suggestions for videos that you'd like to see in the future. But in any case, I love to hear how this worked out for you. So please post below and let me know how it's working. And I will catch you guys next week. Take care. Have a great week. Bye-bye.